Took away basically my job. So I'm appreciative for that. So we're able to focus a lot on scaling and volume now. I'd come to my desk and I'd have 50 leads to underwrite, and most of them are shit, right? And they're just like, go through
Yeah.
here. It's like, and I got so good at it that I can literally look at like one text message and basically know whether to scrap it or not. Like one single response, I could get an
Yeah.
idea like if it was a real lead or not. And that's really like kind of what my day was just I would go through. It'd take me like an hour, 2 hours to just get through the pipeline from the night before, go take a break, do something else, just come back and kind of manage it throughout the entire day. And then I would kind of work them, text them, call them, comp them, underwrite them, and all that good stuff. Um, Whereas now I'm able to, like, for example, like today, and I mean, really these past few weeks, I've been able to focus a lot more on improving other areas of our system and bringing everything together into one. I can get a notification, hit the underwriting, and get that offer to them within 10 minutes because there's that, the extra time has allowed me to do a lot more research and into like how to improve our system. And one of those things is just by the nature of the leads that we're working with and the marketing system that we use, the speed to lead is critical, right? And there's a major drop off between 10 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour. That the timeline is acing. It's just allowing us to scale, improve other areas of the business where normally, I'm more of the take the role of like scaling the business up and kind of in the systems. And I didn't have that luxury before because I was taking a lot of time to just go through and work all these low quality leads. And this is just a job, really, just sorting, filtering through everything until you find the one that signs and you get paid on that one. And then you just do it again. I feel like Tim is an edge in our business because you can produce a lot of volume. Comparable volume is if you had a decent sized team without the overhead or the salary, payroll, or giving up equity in a business, for example. So I think that's like Tim's big edge
Do
there.
you think there's a quantitative amount of time that you think that Tim has saved you? Because you were underwriting like crazy before, right? So,
He was, I mean, a 40-hour work week, honestly. Yeah. At least with what I was doing before, just going through and sorting and filtering those leads manually. Yeah. I mean, you saved me, like I said, you saved me an entire job. An
right,
entire job.
right. Like
I
you're
look at the
replacing an
business as like
entire
a few different
employee.
like roles, like you got acquisitions, dispositions, finances, and just kind of like everything and how everything comes together. And he takes the entire role of an acquisitions team. And that's how I see it. Right now,
Yeah, I love it.
obviously, like I have to do a brief, I got to underwrite the numbers and prompt him to do what he needs to do. But, that's been something I'm getting on the phone with him or Sam will, like if they're ready to go. But until then, like, I don't even want to talk to people until I've got a price that works and they said they're going to sign. All right, let's make it happen. I'll run you through the contract. Let's get to work. But until then, like we keep all that stuff with Tim, right? And
Right.
so yeah, in terms of quantitative amount, I would say about 40-hour work week.